In this video, I'll show you how to fix Revive not working on Blockblast. So in order to fix this, please make sure that you have your app updated to the latest version, and let's dive into the video right now. So we're going to open our Blockblast app. So let's say you're playing a game and the Revive is not working. So the reason why it's probably not working is because you're not connected to a mobile network or to a Wi-Fi network. And what happens when you get a Revive, I will show you what it looks like. It basically asks you to click on this ad in order to revive your session. So this feature is only available when you are connected to some sort of network, Wi-Fi or cellular. And if you aren't connected, then you won't have this option to revive. And another reason why your Revive is probably not working is because you've reached the maximum limit of revives, and that is 2. So please be aware of these things, and then you should be good to go to fix the Blockblast Revive not working in the future. So thank you for watching. Subscribe.